Hey guys, it's Caitlin with AmeriRent Equipment and ForestryDoors.com. Today I'm here to show you our John Deere Tate small frame polycarbonate door. This will fit your 312GR, 314G, 316GR, 317G, and 318G. You can purchase these doors at www.forestrydoors.com. Let's take a look at some of the features of this door. This half-inch polycarbonate door will replace your OEM factory glass. As you can see, it duplicates the OEM mounting holes for your hinges, your wiper mount, your door shock, and your handle. It is impact resistant, which makes it 250 times stronger than glass and increases operator safety. It is coated on both sides for optimal abrasion and resistance. The milled edges make it swapping the door out easy and fast. It is half the weight of glass. Some other features are its noise reducing, increases light transmission and visibility, and decreases summer heat and reduced winter heat loss. As you can see here, this half-inch door is milled down to a 1/4 inch to allow for your factory seal. Which we also sell these seals on our website. That's it for today, guys. Just remember, we sell these doors on our website at www.forestrydoors.com. We sell them in the 1/4 inch and half-inch options. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel, and please let us know if you have any questions. Have a great day.